Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Shay. Work, that is paid work or employment, must be undertaken in some form in order to earn income.
One of the decisions that you must make in the near future is that of a choice of career. You will soon be asking yourself what kind of work you want to do or what are you preparing for. The agricultural age led to the industrial age, and now we are in the era of technological advancement. There are rapid changes taking place in the workplace, and the world is being referred to as a global village. Goods move, services move, and with that, people are now moving. The nature of work is changing. People have more opportunities to relocate now to obtain employment, over land as well as overseas and the oceans.
Yes, work is important, and the importance of work to an individual are for the following reasons.
1. One way in which income is earned is from work. People have different reasons and priorities for working. 2. People work for economical, personal, or psychological and social reasons. 3. Without work, most people will not have the money required to obtain the goods and services necessary for living. 4. People work to provide an income for consumption and to acquire wealth. The income is needed first to satisfy basic needs of food, shelter, and clothing. 5. Some people find work interesting, enjoyable, and satisfying. 6. Some people work to establish independence or as a form of self-expression and to build self-work. For example, working for psychological reasons. 7. Work allows some people to satisfy their interests and use and develop their abilities and skills. 8. Work can bring recognition and a sense of achievement for some. 9. People who work for social reasons like to be in frequent contact with other people. They appreciate work because it gives them the opportunity to interact with people. And 10. Work can bring about new friends. For some, work is a means of gaining the respect of others. While the psychological and social aspects of work are very important, the major reason for working is economic. Money is received in exchange for labor.
The following have been adapted from the United Nations Declaration of Human Rights as to why people work.
We have a right to work. Everyone has the right to work, to free choice of employment, to adjust and favorable conditions of work, and to protect against unemployment. Everyone, without any discrimination, has the right to equal pay for equal work. Everyone who works has the right to just and favorable remuneration. Everyone who works has the right to representation and protection of his interests through trade unions. We work to satisfy our basic needs of food, shelter, and healthcare. In addition to that, money earned from such work provides a reasonable standard of living, security, and independence as well. Work satisfies a basic drive in most human beings. It comes naturally to us. Many people suffer from boredom when they have nothing to do. Work confers status. Occupation is often used to determine your social status or social class.
Some characteristics of a good worker are
a sense of responsibility. A good worker possesses and demonstrates work habits and attitudes necessary for individual maturing and competency on the job. Pride in work. Skills, knowledge and personal qualities necessary to be employable, the ability to follow directions, skills in communication, ability to maintain good physical, mental, and emotional health in relation to work, the ability to plan and carry out plans, always have a well-groomed look, and safety consciousness, that is, the ability to provide a safe environment and to handle emergency situations.
Did you know that there are certain benefits that are derived from work experience?
Most people find work experience meaningful and advantageous as it helps them develop attitudes that have significant impact on their working careers. Work experience fosters a cooperative spirit between individuals. Work experience also assists the student in striving for success. The student receives hands-on experience and is so able to relate practice with theory. The student gets the feel of work and learn and affirm those values that contribute towards developing a proper work ethic.
The health factor of the people is one major factor that helps to determine their ability to contribute individually and collectively to their country's development.
Research has shown that investments in health lead to greater economic growth. The World Health Organization definition of health is the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. A more current term for health is wellness. Those definitions emphasize the totality of the condition. They mean that mental and social aspects are important as well as physical fitness. Nutrition and exercise are needed for good health, and good health enhances performance. Studies have shown that regular exercise, even at low intensity and frequency, is effective in improving health status in the following areas: obesity, osteoporosis, coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, hypertension, and reduced psychological well-being. The benefits of physical fitness in the promotion of wellness are many. Exercise tones up the muscles, improves muscular strength and endurance. Exercise keeps one feeling alert and from feeling unusually tired at the end of the day. Generally, regular exercise helps one to sleep better, relax, reduce levels of stress, improve mental concentration, improve self-esteem, and enhance performance. Regular exercise gives a positive mood, reduces incidences of depression, and lowers anxiety. Thus, the combination of nourishing foods and physical activities results in improved energy balance, overall good health, the attainment of fitness and wellness. These all contribute to improve work performance and a resultant increase in productivity. There is nothing that gives one a greater sense of selfhood than a job. That is a major part of the business of life. Work enables us to fulfill our function in such a way that our identity is established. Work helps us determine who we are and the extent of our capabilities.
Thank you so very much for watching. We have come to the end of the lesson for today. But do remember, every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.